Let me quickly show you how we can use Pro Mode in camera on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So of course we're gonna open the camera, and in order to find the Pro Mode, we need to simply go to More in the bottom right corner, and then over here we have Pro. And there we go, we have some options in the Pro Mode, although compared to other devices it is not as rich perhaps, but still I'm gonna show you what you can do. So for example, over here we have ISO parameter, which allows you to control how sensitive the sensor is to light. A lower ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light conditions. But of course, too high can add grain or noise. And generally, we can move left and right in order to adjust the ISO. We can tap over here on the left side on manual in order to switch to automatic. There is also speed, which is the shutter speed, and this one decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good for night shots, but can blur motion. And fast speeds freeze action. We also have EV, which is the exposure, and this slider lets you adjust the overall brightness of your image. This one is the only option, I believe, that is not automatic, so you have to manually adjust the EV, the exposure. And it's just a quick way to make your photos lighter or darker. There's also focus, which, as the name suggests, is about setting exactly the focus, where the focus should be, what should be sharp in your photos, which can also be set to auto or manual over here. You can also tap on this eye over here in order to find these descriptions, by the way. So for example, if you choose EV, then also you can tap here in order to read what I do. So if you forget, then of course here you have a quick tip. And wide balance, WB in short. And this one adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and the colors look natural in general. So if you go to the left, then you will have cool colors, more bluish, and if you go to the right, you have warmer colors, more orange-ish. And these are all parameters available in the Pro Mode. Unfortunately, in terms of the lenses, we only have the wide camera lens. Over here we also have the description. Unfortunately, for some reason, we cannot really use the ultra wide, and there is no macro mode for the Pro Mode as well, so we cannot use the macro camera. Besides that, you can tap on these 4 dots on the right side in order to find some additional camera options. Some of them are available in other modes as well, for example the timer, the aspect ratio, and so on, so be sure to check them out as well. And that's pretty much it. This is how we can use the Pro Mode on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!